Dog. Kumawa dog. Except wobbly. Intwana miphume esandleni. Kuba uzocula amakhwaya dog. Engane mifika esandleni. Ebusuku uzoshuba akulala dog. Ugcwala yungena emandleni. Ungagcwali yangambawa dog. Bitch I'm the man of the hour. Sabambeki manje sekumawa dog.
Reporting live again, it's your boy Umtre holding it down city to city. And today, I'm with the honorable, the legendary, the one and only, that nigga, the hand of God, the celestial, the legend himself, the champ. Again, it's your boy, Celestial Mike.
Yeah. What's up? Celestial Mike, the mic in the hands of God.
Nigga, we high already, nigga. Gagin. Reporting live from Culture Cast in the Haven Studios, deeply rooted, holding it down. Shout out to Oselo. Oh. Fez, what's going on, my nigga?
What's up, Baji?
Hey, you killing him, dog. I just saw the 1 hour video.
It's a case.
El Clasico, shout out to your boy Tino and Wobbly. I just saw iTrue video. Fucking it up last year into 2020 the right way.
You know what I mean?
Dog, what the fuck? This is 10 balls. Where the weed at, nigga?
It's all over, man. It's all over.
Anyway, let the niggas know what's going on with the iTrue video and the Umar video. What the fuck, nigga?
Okay,
Those are some of the dopest videos that have come out in the past 6 months, dog, in Durban the right way.
Facts.
If you must know the truth,
you must know facts.
If you must know facts, nigga. Shout out to your boy Tino.
Yeah, man. Tino Fayetu did a great job, Doug. You know,
legendary job.
Both videos. I chose Ishute last year. Basically, Saishuta, my mapata just aveli, as that's where I'm from.
Yeah.
And then my mapata Shuta Montclair, as that's where Skin is from.
Yeah.
Tipek was any many good. Let's see.
Whose song is it, guys?
It's T-Bag song.
T-Bag song. Showcase.
Yes, man, it's a very motiake.
No Musa.
You know what I mean?
No Musa, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but the video's a movie, dog. Ain't
you know, Tino just, hey, man.
Tino put his foot in that motherfucker,
you know?
man.
And then this year, you know, we put up a thing together, Malaningi Records, as you know, as the streets know. Yeah, man. And
what's up with him? I leave the nose as I let him visit. I can't be you with it. I'm very honest. Leave the nose for rain. I swipe it up over his coffee. Look up here in your face.
Nothing like that, Doug. You know what I mean? As you know, that's we've been doing this shit for a long time, Doug. You know, we've been building up. You know what I mean? And then along the way, Doug, you know, there's people that believe in us. You know what I mean? Just like you do. You know, and so some of those people have the means, and then we had, like, you know, the idea. You know what I mean? Put all that shit together. Yeah. And basically, then the first order of business there, I mean, in terms of visuals, was the virtual tour. It's on YouTube, by the way. You can go check it out. Malaningi Virtual Tour.
Shout out to Deeply Rooted.
You know what I mean? Deeply Rooted did the things, dog.
Shout out to your boy Ciro Nusru holding it down, guys.
It's a movie, you know, go check it out. You're gonna love it. And then we shot to Gumawa too. Yeah, dog. The video dropped yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a movie, dog.
Hey, man.
It's a movie, fans.
Yeah, it's a movie, dog.
Nigga, talk that shit, man.
You know what I mean? It's a movie, dog.
Yo, man.
You know?
Yeah.
Not sure you move up to YouTube, dog. You know.
Yeah.
Except Tina once again.
Yeah.
Spanish and this tea.
Yeah.
Lift off.
Angimazi kusithini.
Yeah, ayamazi mfethu usithini. Mfethu uthi awazi ukuthi awilo usithini, kodwa yamazi usithini.
Okay.
Lift off mfethu.
Shout out to your boy Stay holding it down.
Showcase. Lift Off is the name of the company.
Yeah.
He was our DOP for the video, and then
Director
Tino.
of photography.
Yeah, and then Tino is the director.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Did events.
An amazing job.
Yeah. Doug. It was a long day of working.
Yeah.
A long ass day. But
the
end result of it, showcase.
So like, who is like involved in like Imalining, dog? Because I saw the thing that's called The kids that ain't yoga about them, which I've been down in corner. I didn't want to. Who's involved in that shit, though? What's going on?
Yeah, Doug. My name it's myself. As an artist, it's Audio Sims.
Yeah.
It's Skindi, Tino, Dando, Lex LaFoy, DJ Wobbly. You know what I mean? And we got T-Bag in management. And then we got Alpha. You know, it's one of the artists as well.
He's a nigga on Gumawa talk.
So we basically talk because we're span Cultured Chaos, Sundays, Senza de Shandis, Selena, making songs. You know, that's how Gumawa came about. Beluga, I'm sure you've seen Beluga. You know, if you haven't, go check it out on YouTube. It's not a video, but the audio is out there. In all digital stores. You know, T-Bag as well, So it's a span of it saying, go man, dog, you know, we put them together, did the collabos. And then when, you know, the opportunity came about, I mean, it's the first place you look, you know, so we took everybody that we're working with there, you know, and then trying to make something that's more solid. You know, they know that they can work on stuff properly. You know what I mean? You can go make sure. As a collective.
And everybody gonna play their part.
You know what I mean? Everybody plays their part. So, those are the people, man. Those are the people.
Oh, so T-Bag's handling management and admin.
T-Bag, Wobbly, and Lex LaFoy.
Are
the guys who are handling management.
That's good, dog. We need more of that in Durban, bro. A whole lot of gang rappers and shit.
Bro.
But ain't nobody really, you know, prepared enough to handle that admin.
Structure is important, dog. Like, ingoma fethu talent eliningi, you know what I mean?
But ain't nobody dedicating themselves to getting it out there the right way. Who's a call?
Fethu give good right ngendlela, give everything paperwork, ibe khona. You know what I mean? Because that's the first step, dog. You know, ingoma izoba khona fethu uzirecord lokuyikhipha ku Audio Mac, or even if you put them on iTunes, but like, you know, you need a structure
to push it.
You need a structure to push the thing. You need something that's gonna, you know, you can do it independently, but even if you do it independently, you build a team around it. You always need a team. Like, you can't be one man. You know what I mean? So you either do it this way or that way. So we took a bunch of independent artists and then we formed a label with them, and then now we did something for Onkumuntu.
And the traction is building, my nigga, the right way.
You know what I mean?
Sure. I was actually talking. I mean, then when I personally talk, I mean, what's going on with you? Or you're just doing these singles and videos right now? There's no new music other than The Hand of God 3 that you just released. I think last year, I guess.
Sure.
Yeah, showcase. You didn't play Hand of God, but it's in there. Think about you out there.
That's
Shanga's good out there. Woo, nigga. We need to drop video for that shit, dog. Hand of God 1, 8, dog. WCGO 1. That's my favorite song in life, bro. And track 1, the Brad song. My favorite one was the first one, and those 2 songs, dog. Hey, my nigga, shit, bro. Dog. What the fuck's going on? It deserves a video, bro. Oh my god, it's my charming on pay.
It's my charming
permanently, nigga.
You know
the right way, dog. I'm gonna give out Denzel, man. The But yeah, that's my favorite shit in life. And the Brad song, dog, it's Audio Sims, and his
Brad song is Audio Sims. Both of them actually are Audio Sims.
Audio Sims on the Brad song, dog. He put his foot in that bitch, man.
On the neck.
My dog. Both those motherfuckers need videos, bro. Shit. Dope as shit, man. Dope shit, dog. But like, when out of the three, which is your favorite?
Out of all the EPs, I mean, for me, dog, I guess naturally, you know, the latest one, because
the latest one,
shit. Exactly, dog. Like, for me, that's what I listen to. But you know, I have favorites out of all of them. Like the Rebel song, for me is like, you know.
You like that shit.
Yeah, dog. Like that's one of my favorite songs I've ever done, you know. I mean, the stuff from the Red Book projects that I love to bits, you know. But right now, basically, planning on releasing a single, Just Do It. It's the first song on the virtual tour. It's the opening song. Do your thing again, this is that joint right there.
Feds.
Yeah. And then you know from there we've got other plans for other singles. Excuse me.
Yeah.
And obviously you know eventually a full body of work, but that is you know by the way, you know that's
You're just trying to build the hype right now.
yeah exactly. So look out for the single, you know, everything maybe you know what I mean like the works, man. You know, you gotta put in everything behind it, yeah.
The right way.
You know.
Feds.
So for now, Hand of God EP, all of them, 1, 2, and 3, they're all available on all digital stores.
Yeah.
You can go stream those.
And I saw the website on Deeply Rooted shit as well.
Yeah. And there's also actually the listening session. We also shot that.
For the project.
Yes, like
Now
we shot
according
the
to
whole
Deeply Rooted,
performance
yeah.
thing. Yeah, deeply rooted.
Lunga
you know.
Lumans was hosting that shit.
Yeah.
So I should talk my
Yes,
game.
yes,
I'm
yes.
happy they're taking the visuals seriously now.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
dog?
finally,
all these
dog.
46-minute specials, dog, out
That's
there
your
on
buffer,
YouTube.
dog.
You
It's
know what I mean?
amazing content, especially that shit helps you create something called a super fan.
Sure
Because they're gonna
is.
know you from Goma, or they're gonna know you from iTrue, they're gonna know you from whatever, and then really start to fuck with you on Spotify. Be like, oh no, but I don't fuck with this nigga even more. Let me see his live performances.
Sure
And this shit
is.
is dope.
Showcase.
Yeah, dog. Fuck with that shit, dog. Fuck with the shit. Then after that, sell them the shit out of everything. Nigga, what
Everything,
merchandise,
you know what I
what
mean?
CD, what talk. But I guess it, dog, the right way, because
Showcase.
I fuck with the movement, bro. My nigga Records is doing the things. Shit's bracking like crazy. You know, shout out to Jaeger, shout out to Red Bull, get paid, bro.
Showcase.
The right things are happening, dog. Fully and completely. I'm loving the singles right now, yabo.
Sure.
Shit, dog. Durban is holding it down properly and thoroughly, because fully and completely. Let the people know so where they can highlight you at on them socials like the gram and Facebook and Twitter and all that shit.
Basically find me at Celestial Mike. Celestial Mike on Twitter, Celestial Mike on Instagram, page is Celestial Mike on Facebook. Yeah, dog, because there's only one, you know what I mean? So there's no underscore. I don't need none of that. I don't need none of that, you know, no underscore. I don't need to put essay or whatever.
Nigga, I want us to shoot a fucking movie, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, just keep looking out for more content, dog. Like, that's what we're about, you know what I mean? We're trying to get a whole lot of content out there. To you, look out for visuals, you know.
Oh.
Look out for a whole lot of visuals. Look out for a whole lot of music.
Executive produced by Malini Girakas. Management. It's a shy movie.
Same movie, fits.
Let's press that Pulp Fiction button on these niggas, dog.
You know?
Have a movie full of bad motherfuckers
You know?
from the city, dog. That would be dope, bro. That would be fucking dope on feds. Ain't finna be fraud that shit. Is that okay? Finna be fraud that, bro. Shit, bro. Have you playing a scene? Bad motherfucker. Fucking it up. Have Muskindi playing a scene? Have T-Bear playing a scene? Fucking it up. Pressing that Samuel L. Jackson button on these niggas. Pressing that Denzel button on these niggas. That Tarantino button on these niggas. The right way.
The right way.
But yeah, feds, shout out to your boy holding it down, reporting live and again. City to city, titty to titty. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Reporting live from the Culture Chaos Entertainment Studios, balls deep in this motherfucker. We high already, we're about to just roll up again. Again, the right way. Check out the Umar video, first. Check out that shit I saw script on.
Das.
Fez and Das. Shout out to what you're saying, fine. He did this shit
Check
for
out
that
my
too.
boys over there. Got 2 of my boys in that shit.
Okay,
Lord Scripts.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Got Audio Sims on that. Audio Sims, by the way, this year, he won Producer of the Year. It was last year. He won Producer of the Year at the Durban Creative Awards.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Which is rightfully deserved, man.
Niggas putting in work the right way.
Yeah.
I push on Fez. I push all over Fez. You know, shout out to your boy Loki. Shout out to Lunga Manzi.
Dog.
Shout out to Deep Rooter. Shout out to your boys
Shout out to Yashna.
Shout out to Yashna. Been putting in work the long way, the strong way, the King Kong way. Shout out to your boy Neon Dow. You know, shout out to everybody putting work. Shout out to AK. Shout out to Metro.
P Dog, amazing.
Shout out to Pete Dog. We just did a joint with him. No skin. They pull up again.
Showcase, I heard that shit.
GCIIS. And you know, we're gonna drop the video for that end of March. So they say, bro, Durban is hot right now, and I like that shit, dog.
It's really hot right now,
We're
dog.
fucking dominating the game properly and thoroughly. It's so much.
It's
Bazonga.
bad. So, yeah.
Ngagini. Nigga reporting live, it's your boy MJ holding it down. And on that motherfucking funky ass note, we gonna see you again, nigga. Latest episode with your boys, Celestial Mike Ngagini.